for those that got an Aprilaire filter, you want to make sure that you get the Aprilaire brand whenever you replace your filter, because otherwise these other filters look like this and they don't stick. They're supposed to go in this bracket here, but it doesn't. It's different style. And you see how there's a gap here. There shouldn't be a gap. It should be flush like this. But this is an off-brand. That's why it looks like this, and it's not doing you any good. So you want to spend the extra $3 to actually get the Aprilaire brand filter, and it's going to fit inside.